Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data not working on Android. So let's begin. So first things first is we are going to go into our settings here in our phone, and from here we are going to go here in SIM cards and mobile networks. So let's go here, and you want to enable mobile data right here. You make sure it is enabled, and if you have more than one SIM card, then you want to make sure that your data is activated on the right SIM card. Like for example, if your data or your load balance for data is in SIM number 1, then you want to make sure that you are activating the mobile data on SIM number 1, not on SIM number 2. So just like this option right here, I have it right here, so I'm selecting 1, but as you can see, I only have one SIM card. So the next thing we're gonna do is go here into our advanced settings, and you would have a mobile network diagnostics. Then if you don't have this one, then you can just skip this part, and you want to tap on test network right here, and you want to make sure that everything is checked right here, that everything is normal. As you can see, it says internet connection is normal, but if there is some anomaly, then you would be notified right here so that you would know what is wrong with it. Then you could specifically address that problem. And after this, we're gonna go back, and once it's done and you're still facing problems in your mobile data, then what I can recommend is going here to your about phone, and from here you want to go and tap this many times, the MIUI version if you're in Xiaomi, but if you are in other brands, I think it is called build number or something. But you want to find something that is like this code right here. You want to tap this many times until you become a developer, just like this one. As you can see, it says no need, you are already a developer. So once you are a developer, you are in developer mode, you want to go into developer options right here in additional settings. And from here, you want to go into developer options. So it's here at the bottom, developer options, and you want to go and find the always on mobile data. So let's go and find it right here. So networking right here. So we're going to go and scan it. Let's go and find where is the mobile data. Oh, there it is. It says always keep mobile data on. So if you're having mobile data issues on your phone, you want to keep this on right here so that it will always be turned on. But in my case, I don't need this, so I'll just disable it. But in your case, you should enable it right there so that it could be fixed. And the next thing that I can show you, if it still persists after doing all the steps, you still have problem, then I could recommend that you go type here, you reset. You want to find this option in your settings, reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. You want to go here, tap on it, and from here you want to go tap here on reset settings, and you would need to provide your PIN right here so that you can proceed. And after you have provided your PIN, it's basically easy. You just need to go and proceed so that it will be reset, and after that your problem should be solved. You should have a mobile data that is working right now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.